Italy isn't one single culture. Each of its 20 regions has its own identity, traditions, and history. In this video, we're going to look at how Italy's regions actually differ. So let's go break that down right now. First, we're starting with Valle d'Aosta. Valle d'Aosta. This is Italy's smallest region and is located in the far northwest, surrounded by the Alps. It borders France and Switzerland, which strongly influences its culture and language. French is spoken alongside Italian, and the region has a strong alpine identity. Life here traditionally centers on mountain agriculture, dairy production, and tourism, especially skiing and hiking. Next, we're talking about Piedmont, or Piemonte. Piemonte sits at the base of the Alps and played a central role in the Italian unification. Its capital, Turin, was actually the first capital of Italy. Did you know that it was different than the current one? What is the current one? The region is known for refined cuisine, vineyards, and a strong political and cultural history. Piemonte reflects a blend of aristocratic tradition and also industrial development. Lombardy, or Lombardia. Lombardia is one of Italy's most populous and economically powerful regions. Its capital, Milan, maybe you've heard of that place before, is a global center of fashion, but also of finance and design. Historically, Lombardia developed strong trade and industry, which shaped a more fast-paced and modern regional identity compared to a lot of the rest of Italy. Our next one is Trentino Alto Adige. It's a little long, so let's say it again. Trentino Alto Adige. This northern region reflects strong Austrian influence due to its history under the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Many residents actually speak German as a first language alongside Italian. The region is mountainous and known for outdoor activities, careful preservation of tradition, and a strong sense of regional autonomy. Our next region is Veneto. Veneto is famous for Venice. Probably you've heard of this one, the city of canals, and it is one of Italy's most historically important cities. The region developed through maritime trade and long-standing independence as the Venetian Republic. Veneto culture reflects openness to global influence, craftsmanship, and a strong connection to water, trade, and art. Our next region is called Friuli Venezia Giulia. Friuli Venezia Giulia is located near Slovenia and reflects cultural blending between Italian, Slavic, and Central European traditions. The region has multiple languages and dialects. Its border location has shaped a unique identity rooted in resilience, diversity, and cross-cultural exchange. Next is Liguria. Liguria is a narrow coastal region along the northwest coast of Italy. The landscape is defined by cliffs, sea, and limited farmland. This geography shaped Ligurian cuisine and lifestyle, with strong ties to fishing and maritime trade. Genoa, its capital, was once a powerful seafaring republic. Emilia-Romagna. Emilia-Romagna is known for both cultural richness and economic strength. It combines fertile land, historic cities, and strong local traditions. The region values craftsmanship, education, and regional pride. It also played a major role in shaping Italian culinary culture. Next is Tuscany. Tuscany, or Toscana, is often considered the cultural heart of Italy. It was the birthplace of the Renaissance and is closely associated with art, literature, and architecture. Tuscan Italy strongly influenced Standard Italian, giving the regional special importance for language learners like you. The landscape of hills and historic towns reinforces its cultural identity. So in case you didn't realize, there are multiple dialects or way of speaking Italian in Italy. But the one that is used the most when teaching is the one from Toscana. Umbria is our next region. It is the only landlocked region in central Italy and is often called the green heart of the country. It is more rural than neighboring Tuscany and is known for medieval towns and agricultural traditions. Umbria reflects a slower pace of life and a strong connection to land and history. Marche. Marche stretches from the Apennine Mountains to the Adriatic Sea. The region combines coastal life with inland rural traditions. It is quieter and less intentionally known, but historically rich, offering a balanced mixture of geography, culture, and local identity. Lazio. Lazio is home to Rome, which is what? Italy's capital. What was the original capital? Do you know? While continuing with Lazio, it holds enormous historical importance. Layers of history from ancient Rome to the modern republic exist side by side. Lazio represents political power, religious influence, and cultural continuity at the center of Italy. Campania. Campania is centered around Naples and has a strong Mediterranean identity. The region has deep roots in ancient Greek and Roman history. Life here is often associated with strong family ties, expressive culture, and regional pride. Campania also reflects Italy's deep connection between history and daily life. Molise. Molise is one of Italy's smallest and least populated regions. It is largely rural and preserves traditional lifestyles and customs. Because it has experienced less modernization, Molise offers insight into older regional traditions and slower-paced Italian life. Apulia, also known as Puglia. It sounds the same, but it's different. Did you hear the difference? Apulia and Puglia. All right, slightly different. All right, so Puglia is located along Italy's southeastern coast and has a long agricultural history. Olive groves, farming communities, and coastal towns define this region. Its architecture and food traditions reflect Greek, Roman, and Mediterranean influence, emphasizing simplicity and local identity. Basilicata. Let's try saying that again. Basilicata is mountainous and sparsely populated. Historically isolated, it developed strong local traditions and tight-knit communities. The region is known for ancient settlements and reflects the challenges and resilience of inland southern Italy. Calabria. Calabria sits at the southern tip of the Italian peninsula. It has strong Greek historical roots and a deep connection to the sea. Calabrian culture emphasizes family, tradition, and regional pride, shaped by centuries of foreign rule and limited accessibility. Sicily. Sicily is, or Sicilia, let's try the Italian version. Sicilia is Italy's largest island and one of its most culturally complex regions. It has been shaped by Greek, Roman, Arab, Norman, and Spanish civilizations. This layered history is visible in its architecture, language, and traditions, making Sicily uniquely diverse. And last but not least is Sardinia. Sardinia or Sardinia. Sardinia. So Sardinia is geographically and culturally distinct from mainland Italy. The Sardinian language is considered separate from Italian, and many ancient customs are preserved. The region's isolation allowed traditions, music, and social structures to survive longer than in most other parts of Italy. This video is actually part of Italian 2 high school self-paced course, which focuses on building grammar, comprehension, and confidence while continuing to explore Italian culture. If you want to see more about what is in Italian 1 and 2 self-paced course, then check out the link below. If you enjoyed this lesson, feel free to follow for more Italian content. Learning Italian really is for all ages, whether you're a student, traveler, or just curious and excited about learning Italian. I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao. Looking for more videos like this? Like and subscribe. And guess what? We also teach private and group Italian lessons through Knowledge Adventures in online sessions. So message us for details if you would like to learn more. Ciao!